Recording.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
What is that?
I have no idea. Holy God!
What is it?
Mind blown emoji.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Go!
What did you get?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
I hope you like it. I hope.
Socks?
What?
Yeah, you beanie. Yay. Is it recording?
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
No, that's it.
What is this? What is this?
I don't know. Open.
I can't open it. I'm stupid.
Oh,
Wow, it's my poster.
Yay,
I
yeah.
love this poster. Yes,
Yeah.
I love this one so much.
Awesome, right?
I'm gonna make out with it. I'm kidding.
Who sent that one?
I don't know.
Who sent that one to Kim?
Oh, the
Auntie, the family. Yeah, Baba.
recording. What's in here? I can't open this.
You can do it. Open.
No, it was
Done. Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
everybody.
you done. Excuse me. Do.
Who's that from? You guys see who's from? Vicky?
Oh, I didn't put the name. From mommy.
from you.
How is it? You like it?
Is this a water bottle?
Ah, isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Oh, put in the table. Put in the table.
Princess water bottle.
Oh, you done? You done your success? Keep going. Maybe you done? Or what? Ooh, what is that?
Is that a potato?
Now done. No potato this year.
I'm gonna show off my bonus of indulgence.
Open.
thing.
Yeah. Ta-da! We need to buy friend.
What's in here? I wonder.
Let's just say what's there. What is that?
I feel like it's Robux.
How you know?
Because I can tell just by its shape. You know how much I get Robux. How much was this?
Ta-da!
$2.
Yeah.
I'm reading your card now.
There.
Yeah, where's my $2?
Was it 50 or 20?
Read your card. I thought you know.
It says 10 through
No.
100.
Facts
Right.
are- Yeah. Go.
Cool. That's enough for my cosplay.
You can read inside. Up to you.
I forgot how to open this. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Mom and Dad.
Yay.
Love you, baby.
Love
Yeah,
you.
you done. You done. Stay there.
Why am I giggling so aggressively?
No cheating. No cheating. No.
I almost...
Stay there.
I'm scared. How happy is it?
Okay, now open.
Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. Why are you looking for Jesus? Yeah, it is. Today is Jesus' birthday.
What's in here?
I don't know.
Okay.
Open. Oh my God.
And go get it.
This.
Say no space. No space.
Ugh,
What is that?
I have no idea.
Who's it from? Because you gotta read who's from.
Mommy, I didn't write it down.
You?
That's what you're supposed to write down.
Oh, crow. Oh, okay.
It's not. Holy God.
What is it?
Mind blown emoji.
Show me.
Slipknot.
Oh, show me the smile.
Yeah,
I
you're
need
gonna-
the picture.
You're gonna donate that to
That
the
shoulder,
playground?
shoulder, like this. Shoulder, there, there.
No, put the
Smile.
back basically. Can I see it?
Oh.
Put the-
Yeah, that way.
There you go.
One,
That's
two,
joking.
1, 2, 3. Last gift.
Is that my acoustic guitar?
I don't know. Figure out.
No, that's mine.
Go.
How large is this? Why is this so large?
Dugu, 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 dugu.
I'm gonna break all my bones. Holy guacamole. I'm laying this down.
Go get the little knife so you can open.
Ta-da. No, I opened here already.
Ta-da!
Holy guacamole.
Mike, show it off, show it off.
빨리. Take it out.
Side-eye.
Take a blow. Everything.
How do you take it off?
Slowly. Here.
God.
Oh my god. I love that guitar so pretty.
Look at it. Look at
Oh my goodness.
It kind of
Show
looks
me,
like
show
Weezer
me
Blue.
front,
Kind
show
of
me.
looks like Weezer
Oh
Blue.
my goodness, smile.
It looks like
it. Open it.
Yeah, open and smile. Oh my god. I love it. They did a good job. Look at the
How do you
design.
do this?
They're shiny too.
How much was this again?
You don't have to know.
Slow. Don't
Oh my goodness, so beautiful.
break it.
Look at
Where's the pick and everything?
and everything over there. Show me.
Just scratching everything.
One, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, so pretty.
So cool.
Isa, look at your camera. Say, Auntie family. Isa, Auntie family, Auntie family. Thank you, love you.
Auntie Feminine.
Auntie family.
Auntie Feminine.
Love you,
Love
thank
you,
you.
thank
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy
Happy New
New
Year.
No, you don't.
Okay, Daddy, wait. Daddy, are you ready?
I am ready.
Go.
What did you get?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
I hope you like it. I hope.
Socks?
What?
Yeah, new beanie. Yay! We're from Vegas. Oh, I got new gloves.
Man, I hope that is fit. Try.
What size is it? Medium?
No, large.
Yeah,
no,
it's
guess
perfect.
what? This is a woman's glove. But it looks like a man fine. And
That's
here
fine.
cover too, right? I knew it. I'm smart.
Looks good.
You ready? Yeah.
Look at yours. This is yours. This is yours.
What is that? Is that mine?
Yeah, that's your present.
That's your card.
What does it say? What does it say?
I don't know. You're reading it.
Dear my husband Felix, JWYao, thank you so much for taking care of JWYao. I love you so much. Let's make a new year more happy and blessing together. Life is short. Enjoy and have fun our life together. Happy
Congratulations.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from JWYao. My wifey, love you.
Papa.
I don't like that lipstick.
Crazy boy. This is mine?
Yeah, that's yours.
Where did you do that?
As you see it.
Come on.
Look at he's here. Look at mommy's
And I
here.
was thinking I'm not going to get anything.
Yeah, of
I
course.
didn't know when we bought.
My yellow.
I knew it would be perfect for you.
My yellow!
I knew it would be perfect for you. Because I know you like the color yellow and you like purses, whatever, blah, blah, blah.
It's cute, it's cute.
Yeah, of course, it's perfect.
Perfect. This is perfect for airport to
Yeah.
right? Or the casual, the summertime.
Yeah.
Oh my god, thank you so much. So cute.
Love you.
Love you. He's
Love you,
smile.
yeah.
Yeah,
Merry
Christmas!
Ashley is singing. Go, go, go.
Sorry. It's a little something to make me go! Oh, whoa! Yeah, you know what I want?
My turn.
I'm gonna do Buddy Holly next. You're not
끔찍한 일이 될 거야, darling. 어른이 된다는 상상만으로도 내게 숨이 막혀버릴 것 같은 고통일 거야. Ooh, I need your love. Ooh, I need your love, love, love. 내게로 빠져드는 내가 두려워. 이런 책임, 이런 게 또 어딨어. Yeah.
Is that all? Okay. This is for my Necro Jimbo fans.
Oh, bum, bum, bum.
I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so bad. When they're around, they make me feel like the only guy in town. I love little girls, they make me feel so good. They don't care about my one-way mirror. They don't try to paint my cold exterior. They don't ask me questions. They don't want to scold me. They don't look for answers. They just want to hold me. Isn't that fun? Isn't that what life's all about? Isn't this a dream come true? Or isn't this a nightmare too? Oh, I love little girls, they make me feel so good. I love little girls, they make me feel so bad. When they're around, they make me feel like the only guy in town. I love little girls, they make me feel so good. They don't make me creations, they don't fight my revelations. Uh-oh, take a second, uh-oh, it's a mistake. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. They're just too little. Isn't this what life's all about? Isn't this a dream come true? Isn't this a nightmare too? Oh, and I don't care what people say, and I don't care what people think, and I don't care how we look walking down the street. My last self-indulgence. Oingo boingo.
Vaping can expose you to toxic chemicals that can damage your lungs and the team.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks like though they are here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
But I know what. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.